is currently Thanksgiving, and we are cooking our Thanksgiving dinner. We're not doing the traditional turkey and ham this year. We are doing steak and lobster tails with broccoli casseroles, sweet potatoes, and mashed potatoes. So right now I am currently seasoning my steak, just using salt and pepper. I might play with it, but I don't think we need too much. And then for the lobster tails, we're going to do butter and garlic, so it should be a nice meal. The sweet potatoes are already cooking. They have about 10 minutes left, and then another 30 minutes. Then the broccoli has to go in for 30 minutes, and then the steaks will probably be about 20-30 minutes. And then where do the lobster tails go?
In the fridge.
Oh.
Inside the cabinet.
Why did you take them off the plate? They don't have to be like that. It's cold.
Then we have the lobster tails. Nice little lobster tail right there. Nice little lobster tail right there. Like I said, I am going to put some butter and garlic, and then we're going to put those in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. And yeah, I guess we'll just show you guys the finished product, or we'll keep you guys updated as we go. Basically with the broccoli casserole, it's just chopped broccoli. Then we're going to put some Velveeta cheese. I'll actually start doing that now. If you want to come see. You just place the cubes all on top of the broccoli, all throughout. Super easy to make, super good to eat. This is my favorite Thanksgiving dish to make, is the broccoli casserole. If ever I go over to a friend's house or somebody's house, I always bring this, and usually it ends up staying there, so it should be good. I hope everyone is having a good thing. Well, actually, I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving, because by the time you guys see this, it'll already be gone and past. It is my birthday also today, so that's why we're doing like steak and lobsters, just to kind of have like a surf and turf birthday. Since all the restaurants are closed, we can't really go to a nice dinner anyways. So now that we put all the cheese, take these breadcrumbs, or not breadcrumbs, Ritz crackers, and then I put, what did I put? I put butter and Ritz crackers. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle it on top. This is going to give it a nice crunch. And this is just going to go in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And the reason why you put the butter on it is so that way it cooks better. Gives it a nice crispy and brown. At first I thought that the butter might make the crackers soggy, but it doesn't. Actually helps out a lot. And I used 2 packets of broccoli, 1 thing of Velveeta cheese, like a medium-sized brick, and then I used 2 packets of Ritz crackers for that, and a stick of butter. So if you guys want to make it at home, basically it feeds probably 4 people. We're only 2 at the moment, but we're gonna have leftovers for sure. So now that's basically done. You just throw it in the oven for 350 degrees at 30 minutes. Like I said, we're doing the steaks, and we'll catch up to you guys once that is finished. So we have about 15 minutes left or so, about 10-15 minutes left. So what I'm doing now is I'm just basically taking a bag of small marshmallows and putting on top of the sweet potatoes. We currently have the oven sweet potatoes, the broccoli casserole, and then down below we do have the lobster cooking. We are going to cook the steaks on the stovetop, just because we don't have access to a grill. And then the mashed potatoes are already ready. We just got to reheat them again. And yeah, it should be, oh my god, it should be a really good meal. So it looks like we are almost done. The mashed potatoes are nice and hot. Broccoli casserole just came out of the oven, and I just put it to broil, so that way the marshmallows will get a little bit more darker, and then the lobster will be nice and, you know, cooked. But everything else is looking good. Steak's already done. They're chilling over there. Next, all we have to do is plate it and eat it.
And this is a finished product: lobster tail, ribeye steaks, sweet potatoes with marshmallows, broccoli casserole, mashed potatoes. And the same with that. Water to drink. So good.
Watching fucking
It's an apple.
views. Isn't it so much easier to hold the camera like that with my tripod?
It's my tripod, bro. What the fuck? This motherfucker. This is like extremely dangerous because I'm eating it like this
Yeah, I'd imagine
on
I
the
stop,
car. Like,
and it just goes straight in your forehead.
uh-huh.
I don't know what I would do.
Or in my eye.
I'd probably just drop you off.
You would just probably like stop
the
like
car.
being friends with me.
No, just get out of the car. I'll see you in Miami. Hopefully it's
Oh, you
healed by
won't
then.
see me.
Yeah. No, I'll see you. Your mom will come to my house.
For what?
Why did you leave the daughter? Why did you stab her in the face? And then I would have to pull up the camera of you eating apple, and she'd be like, why are you?
They come in and roost here, so. I'll go get them to come this way. They're all standing out here staring at us. Staring at us. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, yeah,
They're on this side.
Yay.
They're all on this side.
I look scared.
Do all goats faint if they get scared, or is that just certain
No.
kind?
There is just a certain kind, and his mom is a fainting goat. And in this here is a cup and some treats.
Okay.
And you guys can.
They don't bite?
Nope. Here, you could take the whole cup.
Okay.
And there's another cup in here if you want. His mom is part what they call mytonic, which is the fainting goat.
Yeah.
But she doesn't go all the way down. She just stiffens up and kind of drags
Yeah.
her back legs.
Yeah, I've seen videos where they just go numb and plop over. It's so.
Yeah. She never goes all the way down on us, but
Are the alpacas related? Or are they two separate?
they are not related.
No.
Do you want to try? Look at this one, look at this one. I'm scared of this one, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh my
This
god!
one.
Oh my god, there's way too many.
You have to get the ones on the bottom
I'm like
too.
scared of the big one.
These chickens are like, what's going on?
Oh, look at this one.
Well, you got your goats.
Trying to put my phone somewhere. Look at the little noises I make. Oh my god!
A horse.
No, that's a pony!
Yeah.
Oh my god! So pretty! Do you think birds eat that? Oh my god, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna... Oh, he has teeth.
Hey, this one, this guy.
Hey, don't bite me!
Put some over here.
Oh, you just grabbed my fingers.
Yeah.
You gotta give it to me with my hand.
No, you just let him get it.
Yeah.
Another
That's a
donkey. And they don't bother the chickens, I'm assuming? They just let them be?
Oh, you're okay. Did you see?
Did you just feed the donkey?
Huh?
You fed the donkey?
I did, but it's hard.
You think they get fed also? Or they just get fed when here?
Yeah, I think they get fed.
Matilda.
Huh?
Matilda is one of the
That's
names.
his name?
Oh! You made me drop it. How many times do they do that?
There you go.
They made me drop the cup by accident.
Oh, that's okay. I'll grab it.
Oh no, it's stuck. Come here, give it. Give it to me.
Get this big cup so you guys don't break out on me. There you go. Come here, Chai. What's up, girl?
Why are you guys so hungry?
No. Oh, Matilda, when it comes, huh?
You guys are so hungry.
We see the pack. Look at
Yeah.
it. It doesn't come.
You scared her, Oreo. You scared her. You scared her out.
Look, this chicken is not afraid. Look at all. He's just there.